Oh, is this purple? Is this purple? Oh, it's purple. I can't really tell what's the truth here. Where we at? Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me today. We are going to be doing a full face of Scarlet Hill makeup from Mr. Price. It's Mr. Price's brand spanking new makeup range. I'm really excited to be able to share this with you guys. I did go to the event and I was gifted some stuff there, but I did also purchase a whole lot of other stuff in store because I wanted to do a full face. For the most part, there's not much over 100 rand, except I think these oval brushes, these were 119, but for the most part, everything else, like, dude, eyeshadow palettes 79 rand, blush palette 79 rand, contour and highlight palette 79 rand. That is so affordable. So I'm very excited that I got to try the products today. Keep on watching if you want to see my little Scarlet Hill look. So I got lots of stuff in my goodie bag, but I did pop by Mr. Price afterwards and I did purchase some stuff as well because I wanted to do this full face. It's a quick drying hair wrap that keeps your hair in check. So this here is really nice. After I shower and wash my hair, I'll definitely be using this. And it was only like 59 bucks. I really love it. Like if you look at the detail here, they've really gone into detail with everything. They've shown you how to use the product. Then I love these. I always have a ton of these because I like to tie my hair and push it back when I do my makeup. This is the hair back, makeup on. Your makeup routine just got a whole lot easier. So now that I've got my hair tied back, let's do a mask. This is the moisturizing face mask and it says aka the one you use when your skin's feeling thirsty. I mean, this packaging is so adorable and this was 39 bucks. I love it. I'm so here for this. Like, I just love the whole vibe and feel of everything. I think it's very exciting with this very liquidy, like kind of like fun. Oh, it's very liquid. It's like dripping on my thighs. It is very liquidy. I could literally feel like drops of stuff coming through, but anyway. Definitely very hydrating. You can see all that liquid still left on my skin. I think I'm just gonna have to wipe some of it off because I can't go in with makeup just yet. Next, now we're gonna start with the makeup, which is what I'm super excited about. I've got here the primer and the BB cream. So I've got these two products here. This is very reminiscent of like Primark for me. Like I feel like this is so like Primark vibes. The primer is I think a one color primer. And I got the BB cream in Fudge Sunday. So I feel like I'm really happy that Mr. Price didn't like try and do foundation and concealer and everything. I think this is just like super easy, great for beginners. It's gonna be something that you know, it's like okay for beginners to like, you know, use. And it's kind of like a bit foolproof because if they tried foundation, it could have gone completely wrong. They've also got these cool tools. These are the these are the headliners. So this is just like oval shaped brushes. I've actually got 3 of these already, but this is really cute. I don't have a full set, so this is available for 119. So I picked these beauty sponges up. I'm very curious about this. This was 39 rand. Okay. I have a ton of beauty sponges, right? So, feels very hard. This feels very hard just from a touch. I'm gonna go try and wet it. So the sponge has doubled in size, but is it still like firm? Yes, it's just not hard. So it is definitely like used. There's like no scent to it. This is the primer. Okay, so the primer seems to have like mattified me a bit. It's not like covering any pores or anything. It's just, I guess, just priming your skin. So the BB cream comes in 6 different shades and I'm using the shade Fudge Sunday. I did try this in store and I just kind of like, you know, went on one side of my face and I was like, oh, okay, is this workable for me? Oh, what they don't have is brow products. I will do my brows off camera just now once I've done the BB cream. Let's just see. Let's just see how this applies. So like, I guess the BB cream you can kind of just like use your fingers You're not supposed to use this much, obviously. BB cream is really nice because it's really versatile. You can use, like, even if two people are not this like even a really similar shade, you can get away with using the same shade BB cream because it's kind of just meant to just, like, you know, melt into your skin and look like skin. I need to pick up some of this extra product that I've got on my face. I think the BB cream has definitely made me look a little more even. So you can definitely see that I've got something on. It's obviously not going to cover up anything. That is not the intention of a BB cream. So I would always go in with concealer. So I kind of want to put some concealer on, just a little bit on the under eye area, because I feel like otherwise the rest of my face is not going to look right when I've got eyeshadow and all these other things on it. Okay, so I've got two eyeshadow palettes here. One is the Tropical Heat eyeshadow palette. Packaging is beautiful. I think it's very pretty. These colors are not necessarily my kind of shade range, so I'm not even going to open this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the nude eyeshadow palette. I think this is very pretty. It's very much me. So first I'm going to go in with the shade here, Spice Cinnamon. So I did swatch a couple of the eyeshadows when I was in the store, but I feel like the true test of an eyeshadow is when it's actually on your eyelid. So that's what we're doing today, is testing it out properly. Okay, there's a decent amount of pigment coming up. I did not expect that. I was kind of thinking, it might be a little, like I might have to really build it at first, but I actually like the amount of pigment that's coming. I'm gonna go in with the dark shade Mocha next. So this is Mocha, and I think I just want to go in a little bit on my crease a little to just darken it up over there. I don't know how I feel about this right now. Not the eyeshadows, what I'm doing, I mean. Not the eyeshadows, I'm happy with the eyeshadows so far. Definitely has a matte look. I don't know if it's the primer or if it's the BB cream, but it's definitely giving me a very matte vibe. They're all very pretty. So these are the three shades that I might use. They're all shimmers, or like shimmer metallics. I think I'm actually gonna go in with Syrup, which is this brown color here. It's also a shimmer. My finger. I don't like the way that's sitting on top of my concealer. Ugh. So this is what I'm working with so far, right? As I said, I don't feel like it sits well. The eyeshadow, the metallic eyeshadow, sitting well on top of my my concealer. So I just want to like just sting my face here. Yeah. So I don't feel like it's sitting very well on top of that area. Kind of is what it is though. Kind of just want to go in with just a little bit of concealer just to lighten this area here by my. Again, I'm just mixing Spice Cinnamon and Mocha. I'm just gonna go in on my top lash line quick. Okay, this is very unfamiliar territory for me. I'm used to using a liquid liner, but you know, I have one right now. Okay, I'm just gonna go like a little bit here, I think. Just making me feel a little shaky. And I apologize for the light coming through a little bit on my face. I'll move just now. The eyeshadow so far, I think they performed fairly well. I don't like the shimmer. The shimmer just didn't do it for me. Maybe I should just go in with another shimmer here and just brighten up this area. By the way, this is Gimme Sugar. See, that just like brightens it up a little, I guess. I did pick up some lashes from the Mr. Price range, and this is Lycum Bold Lashes. These were 69 Rand for a pack of 3. I just wanted to, you know, they don't really look like the kind of lashes that I would normally wear. But they come with a, oh no, I thought it was duo. I thought it was duo. It does not come with duo. That was premature. Okay, so while my other lash is drying, I want to go in with the Contour and Glow palette. It's this palette over here. It's beautiful. I love the packaging. It's gold and shimmery. Nothing comes off, so it's not like glittery. So it comes with 4 shades. This is the medium. So I picked up the palettes, the contour and the blush palettes in medium, because I am medium skin tone. I'm gonna go in with the contour shade here. This one is called Out on Holiday. Oh, sorry, Out All Day. I'm definitely seeing something. That's not looking too bad. So let's just see a nose contour, just a light little something here on the nose. I feel like it's blending okay in the mirror here, but I don't know if it's looking more patchy. I can't really tell what's the truth here, where we at. Highlights. I'm actually going to use this brush for highlights. This little one here. I'm going to use this one with Volcano. Volcano is this one. I'm going to go on my nose with that. I love a nose highlight. That's actually like perfect for the nose highlights here. That is so pretty. This is the body bronzer here. It comes in a lot of shades. So they had initially given me Stay Golden, which is this light shade, but I went in and picked up Cinnamon Syrup, and you can see the difference in colors. I thought this would be nice to actually use like as a nice bronzer on my face as well. I always love like a shimmer bronzer on my face. Anyway, so this is the blush palette. It's very pretty. So it does actually come with a little bit of a highlight shade here. So I'm not sure which highlight shade I want to use, whether I'm going to go with Volcano or this other one at the bottom. So there's 2. These are actually so pretty, guys. Like, honestly, this I think is stuff that is worth getting. I like this a lot. I think these are really nice, actually. I'm going to go in with this one because it's more champagne-y looking. Now imagine if you've never used makeup before and you use these products. I think you would be fine. I think you would be okay. Date Night is this shade here. That's a blush shade, and I'm just going to dip my brush in it. And then I'm just going to... This is called the Triple Threat Mascara. So I've obviously got the lashes on, so I'm just kind of doing this to blend in with my top lashes and then also just on the lower lash line as well. Oh, is this purple? It's purple. Oh, it's purple. Right, move on to setting spray. I think, yeah, let's put some setting spray on. The setting spray, let's just smell what it smells like. I just want to spray my arm just so that I can smell it like on my arm, you know? Ooh, it's got like a nice floral kind of scent, I think. Ooh, it's a lot. Very wet. Oh, by the way, the setting spray is 59 Rand. Again, I love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. So these glosses are actually like 19 Rand 99. That is crazy, guys. Like, it's so crazy. Let's see what the colors look like. So they say this is a matte, but it's like a shimmery purple, and then there's obviously just a clear gloss, which is just a clear gloss. You're not even going to see anything probably there. There was this formula here. These were pucker up lipsticks. So there was this packaging here, which is very pretty. Cute. So it's got this like hexagon shape. Out of all the packaging, I think I really like this gold stuff. And then I love this blush in the nude as well. These three are my favorites. So Yashisa is a matte and it's orange, and I was like, dude, this is so pretty. This orange is like divine. So I thought it would be a little more like more coverage, but it looks a little sheer. So Yashisa, which is the orange, is a matte, and then Aries is a cream one. These are just so beautiful. Look at that. Then I'm gonna have, it's me Scarlet. I had to get a red. So these are the colors here of these lipsticks. Now they also have this pucker up lip duo. Now I don't know how much of a fan I am of this. I'm not really into, like, you know, other than my brow products, I don't use anything that's like a two-sided kind of thing. So this is a cream and a matte, and this one is Mbali. It's like the same shade or whatever, but one side is a matte and one side is a cream. So that's the cream and the matte of Mbali. So see, this is a little sheer for me, right? Okay, so just off the bat here, for me personally, when I wear matte lipstick, I don't want to see my skin through. I don't want to see my lips. I want my lips to like be gone. I mean, it's pretty, it's beautiful, but I don't want to see my lips through. I'm gonna take this off. Let's just go with some gloss because I know it's kind of worrying me that this is like, I can taste it in my mouth. It like slipped through, and no, I don't like it. Okay, off the bat, what do I like? What don't I like? Let's talk about that. So off the bat, I really love the body bronzers. I think these are really nice. As I said, I've got the shades Stay Golden and Cinnamon Syrup. I think these are really nice. They're very pretty. I also really love the Contour and Glow palette. This is the medium one that I have. I think this is lovely as well. The Dream Blush palette as well is also beautiful. This is stunning. I like it. I like the way the product's applied to my face. Really love it. I feel like I love the packaging of the lipsticks. I don't love the lipsticks themselves. The setting spray, you know, man, I could live without it. I have setting sprays ready that I really love. The mascara, I didn't really test it out properly, so I can't really say about the mascara because obviously I'm wearing the lashes. But about the lashes, it's a no-go for me. I would rather buy Ardell lashes or something like that. But I do feel like there's a ton of things that you could find within the range that are really nice, that are going to be obviously stuff that you can work with. Is everything going to be amazing? I don't really think so. Like, I mean, the eyeshadow palette was not bad. The eyeshadow palette was not bad at all. I feel like these two mattes that I used quite a bit, these two over here, those actually applied quite well. The shimmer, for some reason, I didn't like the way that applied on top of my concealer. It really bothered me the way that looked. If you don't want to spend any money on like a naked palette or something and you just want to experiment and play with things, this is definitely going to be for you. I think what's also nice is that, like, you know, they've given you a variety of stuff. So I'm quite boring when it comes to eyeshadows. This is kind of like the arena that I play in, whereas a lot of people would want to do stuff that's like really creative and exciting and go with colors like this and bold, you know, and really make a statement with the eyeshadows. So they've definitely given you something for everyone. Oh, by the way, I actually like the sponge. I like it. I will definitely use it. I love that it expands so much. I can miss the mask, I won't lie. The mask was not really for me. I know when I was like first learning how to put makeup on my own face, I didn't have a lot of options. So when I walked into like Clicks, for example, my only options were really like Essence, you know, and it's nice that there's other options out there now. So that's very exciting. Yeah, overall it's really cool and I'm happy I got to try this stuff and obviously go to the event as well. The event was so awesome. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the look.